Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. ভাই আজকে যাচ্ছি নর্থ সাউথ to do some questionnaires. ভাই this is about gender.
How many genders do you think there are?
Two.
I think three. I would prefer four.
হচ্ছে একটা কোর্স আছে TNM কোর্স, সো ওখানে ওর একটা সার্ভে করতে হবে and I will be the cameraman for this vlog.
Ready? How many gender do you think there are? There are three genders. Male, and female. That's like a bit odd question. I would
Okay.
prefer four.
Four. You name them.
Male, female.
Okay.
Then there is, I'd say bi, and
Okay.
there is, it's not male and female, but it's somewhat.
Okay.
According to me, I think there are two genders.
So can you?
অ্যাকচুয়ালি থ্রি বলা যায় যদি আমরা লাইক হিজড়াদেরকে একটা থার্ড জেন্ডার হিসেবে কনসিডার করি।
And no other genders. Okay.
Male and female. I think three.
Hey, could you name them?
Male, female, and transgender.
Transgender. All right.
Two genders, male and female.
Next question. If you had to explain gender to a toddler, how would you do that?
Yeah, I think it's pretty simple. I will just tell your mom, your dad is male, your mom is female. That's it.
That's it.
I'll
All right.
introduce dolls to him or her and
Right.
show the differences between a male gender or a female gender.
All right. Makes sense, sir.
I will explain only male and female, and then when he will got adulthood, then I will explain that transgender.
But as a toddler, how would you explain it?
Toddler,
To a kid.
I don't think so. I will explain it.
What if he or she asks you about what
I
is
will
gender?
skip that as a mother.
All right. No problem. So the next question is, what would you do if a tree asks you what gender it is?
Free.
A tree.
Okay, interesting.
That's a tricky question, I guess.
How would you answer that?
Sorry, I can't answer.
Of my gender?
No, tree's gender.
Okay.
I will just tell him that there are two genders. One is male, one is female. Just like in every species, there are male part and the female part, and overall two genders.
Non-living.
Quick question. What do you think the concept of gender is? The characteristics you attain socially, like through social norms, or the gender you were assigned at birth?
I think the gender that we were assigned at birth. And what do you actually mean by social?
মানে যেটা আপনি মনে করেন যে I feel like a man, so I'm a man. I feel like a woman, I'm a woman. I feel like a cat, I identify as a cat. That is how the Western.
No, I don't really believe in that. I think that the gender that was assigned at birth, that's our gender.
It's biologically defined. You have X chromosome and X chromosome, you are woman, but X chromosome and Y chromosome.
I am biologically female, so I'm born with that, and I'm living with that, and I'm happy with my gender. Actually, thank you so much.
Do you think traditional gender roles are still prevalent in Bangladesh?
Like man as breadwinners, women as caregivers.
আমার মনে হয় যে একটা relevant, but এটা চেঞ্জ যেটা হচ্ছে সেটা that's not good. যেমন কেয়ার গিভার মেল আর পেট ইকোনমিক প্রেশারের কারণে এখন যারা লো ইনকাম মানুষ এখানে ইউনিয়নদের চলছে লেবার পড়ালেখা হয় থেকে ডাক্তার কিন্তু রিলেভেন্ট আছে, বাট এটা জিনিসটা চলে যাচ্ছে বিকজ অফ ইকোনমিক ইস্যু। তো এটা একটা গ্রে এরিয়াটা।
No, I think it is mutually discussed about like mothers. They can be like housewife and as well as businesswomen,
Alright.
and fathers also can take care of their children as well as they can stay at home, can do nothing. At the same time, they can go to office and manages all the works. So I think that will be okay.
All right. So
Are you asking me my opinion or?
your opinion, completely your.
According to me, it should not be, but still there is.
ইট ডাজন্ট হ্যাভ টু বি লাইক দ্যাট অ্যান্ড কিছুটা এরকম চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে। আমার মনে হয় না যে লাইক একদম মানে তোমার জেন্ডার হিসাবে তোমার রোলস থাকা উচিত। হ্যাঁ, দেয়ার আর স্পেসিফিক থিংস যেগুলো হচ্ছে যে লাইক মেলরাই করতে পারে এন্ড ফিমেলরাই করতে পারে, ঠিক আছে?
Okay.
বাট দ্যাট ডাজন্ট মিন না ব্রেড উইনার তোমার ছেলে হইতে হবে।
Yes, I think this is challenge in our country, but it is changing due to the increase in education and awareness of gender equality. Like I feel 80 to 85% of our plus kids following this.
Another question I have: how do you feel media influences perception of gender?
It's very wrong and to be honest it's creating a mental disorder.
Nowadays, media is playing very much a big role in this sort of
Alright.
thing, especially US media.
I have no problem about transgender.
All right.
They should be given all the basic rights like us.
All right. And what about the other ones, except for transgender? There are many other genders that media is portraying. What do you feel about that? Like non-binary and many other genders.
I basically skip them.
Oh, you don't support that?
No, I don't
Okay.
support them.
You
I
just only
basically
support
consider
transgender.
transgenders
All right. All right.
gender.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
How do you feel about that?
Actually, I think their concept should be more precise and more accurate. Authenticity should be there because they are not actually providing with the transgender or another term like people who are actually, you can say, doing it for their own sake, changing their gender of their own. Whereas the theory of transgender is completely different. So that's why I think they should firstly clarify about it.
So it's not a good practice, according to you.
Yeah. It's quite regulated. I would say not like it's not like reaching out. Like it's regulated. It's only amongst the two genders we all know, which is male and female, and the rights of another gender. Like if you can consider transgenders, their voices are like not reached out. It's
the
like
media.
in the media.
Okay.
It's minimal.
Okay. Okay.
They are portraying like you can prefer any kind of gender, so
Okay.
not just two, and it is delivering a bad message towards the children.
Okay. Could you name some series or movies? Any media content, movie or TV series?
I guess sex education.
Sex education. I was thinking about that as well.
I think the series is providing some wrong or not so appropriate information towards the
Alright.
common people.
Actually I skip those kind of things.
Oh, you skip those.
Yeah, if there's something related to that then I'm not interested.
In that series, they mentioned they them. So how do you feel about it? Like, is it right or is it wrong?
In my personal opinion, I think it's bullshit.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome.